Aloha kako, Big Island. Dennis Segovia Jr. here, Service Manager, Kamana Nissan in lovely Keaukaha. Guys, so no matter which way your route takes you, whether it's home and work, we got you. Whether you want to spice it up, we got you. Whether you're ready to conquer the Mana, take the family down to the Makai, we got you. Okay, we always got you. We understand what our Big Island Ohanas need. We understand what the state of Hawaii needs. And yes, I said the state. We'll reach in deep, we'll reach out far, and we'll get you what you need. But always remember, Kamana Nissan, we care. We're here for you. We're here to help you, whether you want to stock it or you want to rumble it, we're here for you. And like always, Kamana Nissan, our family, 115 years in business, we're here for you, okay? Always easy to reach down here by the beach.